have ourselves another fun one here today. We are here in Columbia, Maryland, and at this place you got to park right here on the side of the street and then walk all the way up there to that corner building, check in, get your bill, then walk back, and then we have to pull around back here.
Arriving at Shredded Columbia on the right.
And this place, you get to not only get your exercise in the morning, but you get to test your backing skills because you got to blindside back into this dock. Because these folks like to make it very interesting for you by parking all of their vehicles in front of the docks. And this place requires a double drop and swap. Unless there's an open dock. I'm gonna go around here and see if there's an open door. Garmin, I swear to goodness, God almighty, noisy. So let me see if they got an open dock. Be great if they do. I can just go ahead and park this at the dock and then pull my other trailer out, and I think they do. Hot damn, they do. Yeah, they got an open door right there. Okay, all right, so that's good. Actually, damn, they got two open doors. Okay, no, they don't. No, there's a trailer over there. So yeah, that's my trailer there, 715, and then I'm gonna have to drop this trailer in that open door. Normally there's 4 trailers here, so you gotta drop your empty, hook up to your loaded trailer, pull it out, hook back up to your empty, put it at the door, then go back and hook up to your loaded trailer again. So let's see if we can get this thing in here without hitting anything. Almost get it lined up in there and back straight up, but not quite. I think I can get it from there, maybe. Let's see. Nope. Well, almost had it. I might get it here. Let's see. Nope. I ain't gonna make it. Got to do that again. Alright. I think I can get it this time. Slide in there, nice and pretty like. I gotta get a little bit closer over here. I think I'm there. I tinker so. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get over just a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we're golden. Let's see. I don't think they care about the tandems. I'm gonna go slide them up anyway. go. Yeah, right there. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get out here and swap these trailers, and I'll be with you in just a minute. All right, so yeah, usually there's a couple more trucks up here in front of the docks here. Today, I guess they were busy and got most of their trucks out of here. Still got some trucks over there on the side not being used. Whew. Oh, when you're out of shape, that takes a lot out of you. All right. So I'm gonna pull it over here, away from the dock, and get the door closed and get it sealed up, and we will be on our way. Try to beat that traffic out of here. Let's see. I'll just pull it over here. Go ahead and take a 30 while I'm here. Get my new gloves out. And they don't provide us with the seal, so we have to use our own. Company policy, all trailers must be sealed. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I gotta move that back. Yep, so all it is basically garbage. Makes a mess. But it pays, so as long as it pays, we'll haul it. Okay. Make sure that tire clip kind of, I guess it's good. Yeah, they're good. Alright, I'm gonna slide these tandems back. It says 43,000 pounds on the bill, but it didn't look like it. I think it's a couple of bales short. Still had a pin locked in. Alright, that should be good. Let's go check it out. Yeah, sometimes when you pull that button, not all the pins go in. Sometimes they get stuck, and you have to back off of it so to go in. You see, there's the pin. It'll get stuck on the edge there. So if you just back up or pull up and get it off that edge, it'll slide right in. So let's see where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. And okay, that one didn't come out, so we're just gonna pull up and lock him in. And there he goes. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing my homework here, and got 3 minutes left to do a 30, or on my 30. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up, and we're gonna get out of here. Alright, we've made it to Seagrove here. This load is destined for Rockingham, but we have been instructed to bring it here, so that's what we're gonna do. I wonder if this man over here ever gets tired of seeing trucks pulling in and out of here all times of the day and night. He did wave at me one day when he was out there in the yard and I was pulling out the gate, so I guess he doesn't care that much. Seems to be a friendly guy. Whew. Yeah, I drove non-stop all the way from Columbia. Was gonna stop in South Hill and take a break and top off the tank, but wanted to get back here before nightfall, and looks like I just barely made it. But I'm gonna go in here and drop this trailer, and I'm gonna go across the street and get me some dinner. I'm gonna go find a place to drop this trailer. In fact, I'm just gonna drop it up here on this front line, and I might run the truck through the wash bay while I'm here. I'm starving. That was another reason I wanted to, well, I didn't line that up worth a crap. Yeah, I was gonna stop in South Hill to get something to eat, but I didn't want any, you know, fast food. I really wanted to wait until I got here to get a good meal. They got really good well, it's not really a restaurant, but kind of like a deli. It's a grocery store, but they got a grill, you know, a deli inside there. Really good food. I usually get like the vegetable plate. I'm more of a vegetable guy than a meat and potato guy, but I do love my steak and hamburger and ribs. But I prefer vegetables. And caption. Alright. Alright. right, well, I'm gonna get rid of this trailer. Probably go ahead and end this video here. I don't know how long it'll be, probably not long. But I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next one.